Good morning, guys. I welcome you to my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. And to new subscribers, welcome, a very, very big welcome to you guys. I'm going to give you word for the day. Word for the day comes from the book of Colossians, chapter 3, verse 23. It says, whatever you do, work at it with all of your heart, as though you were working for the Lord. Yes, so anything we need to open our hearts to it as if we're doing it for the Lord. Even your job, you have to do it like you are working for the Lord. I think, guys, I did my morning tea. I'm in my tea addiction era, so yeah, hope bad. So right now I'm about to have my breakfast. It's a little bit windy today. It's sunny but windy. So I wanted to take a walk, but I'll see if I'll take the walk. If I do take the walk, maybe I will change then kitchen this thing. Yeah. So yeah, guys, get us a smoothie. That will be my breakfast, and then yeah, we will take it from there. And I've already done my journaling, so that's a yay. And normally in the morning I get a tea, I make myself tea, and then I feed my son, and then have my second tea. But today, my husband was feeding my son, and then I had to take over because he had to go to the shops, and then I made tea afterwards. So yeah, guys, I'm in that era where like now my son doesn't want, like I take too long to feed him. Like he takes too long to swallow his food, and I try to switch off the TV thinking like it's the one that is distracting him, but yeah, like on slow, and I think he ends up I lose interest in the food, so he's annoying me. I get so annoyed. I'm annoyed right now, like I have a grudge against him. I need deliverance, guys. Ke na le grudge e nngwe e serious to an extent ya gore I don't want him to even touch me. But anyway, even if I don't want him to touch me, it's not like I'm a push. I still have to be his mom at the end of the day. So yeah, guys, ke tla le bona. Taste test. This is nice because it has more of mango, more than any other fruit. Very, very nice. And then I added a, I didn't, maybe I'll write the ingredients, I hope I remember. A half a banana, a handful of kale, full mango, I'd say 2 tablespoons of yogurt and water. Um, if you have chia seeds, you can add chia seeds. I don't recommend this workout. I don't recommend. Oh yeah.
Guys, can you eat mayo? The first version that I made was for my husband. And then this version is mine. In a very peri. I love very peri. And then usually squares with 2 slices. And then my husband made me tea because he makes the best tea in the world. And I decided to tie my hair like this because I felt like I looked fun. How this song. Guys, I'm having my snack and I'll have this as well. Right now I'm going to attempt to do pickled cucumber. I'm not a cucumber fan, so I bought a small one because I know if I buy the bigger one it's going to get rotten. I saw this recipe. Guys, I don't know what happened to my lighting. Maybe if Keamogetswe for thing. Yeah, but click really go Instagram from account here Better with Balance. Just search Better with Balance. So maybe I'll write it down. I'm going to use this cucumber, half a cup of this and half a cup of boiling water, 2 teaspoons, then 2 tablespoons, but I don't think I will use 2 tablespoons, maybe 1.5, and then pop it in the fridge. And then I think it will after 24 hours. It will taste after 24 hours. I don't want to do it the same day, so yeah.
understand motho a ba e right. We were supposed to be
Yeah. Yeah, monsieur. This is what I'm having. I'm having kind of those petits rainbow. Then I added this. So it's tomato, mayonnaise, bread, patty. Yeah, it's the chili ones, and then ghee, very pepper, and tomato sauce. And these are homemade chips. Then take the chicken nuggets from Rainbow as well. I'll be pairing it with this. Yeah, I'll be pairing my meal with this. So guys, this is my breakfast. I'm going to mix this and then soak it for maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes while I have my tea. I love it soaked because I had teeth problems from eating muesli illicata, so that's why I soak. Good morning guys. It's Sunday today and I'm going to give you another scripture. It comes from Psalm 10 verse 17. You Lord hear the desire of the afflicted, you encourage them and you listen to their cry. Yeah, I'm having my tea and I'm going to be feeding my baby while my granola is a muesli actually, while my muesli is still soaking inside the yogurt. Guys, you know, I was doing my own granola. I know how to do granola, but because now
I found something nicer. You're addicted to something nicer, and it's cheaper and even bigger. Okay, 1 kg ya go with. It's very very nice. I think it's 60, maybe you guys 60 rand 70. 60 rand 70, I think somewhere there. I can exact figure. So yeah, so I'll be feeding my baby and I want to show you guys that part because when it comes to breakfast, ralwa. Yeah. Guys, what a boring Sunday. What a boring Sunday, but ish. I played a few gospel songs, just you feel the Sunday thing, and then I'm about to serve us. Yeah, before the copyright didn't cry. Yeah, guys, it's a boring Sunday. I did my journaling Bible study earlier, and then played a few worship songs, elevation worship, spirit of praise. I'm about to serve us. Guys, don't mind my hair, Leo. Please don't mind my hair. I think after serving us, I'll be heading to bath. I need a nice bubble bath, and I'll be chilling there. Sure, I hope I'll be able to vlog. Also, these clips already didn't matter, so I don't know whether this vlog it will have full or what. But yeah, guys, if you're like me, you don't go to church Sunday. Playing worship songs makes the difference. It does. It makes a huge difference. So it kind of like made my day. But right now I'm breastfeeding. I've been breastfeeding. True, guys. I don't know. Hey. I don't know. Just stop the breastfeeding journey. Like my son, I feel like he's getting worse now. Oh, yeah. Guys, can we also talk about how toddlers can never be clean in jail for just a day? Like this guy just bathed. Bona. Like by the end of the day, before we even reach 9 p.m., this guy level failed, and I have to do hand washing. Nah. So this is dinner. The chicken roasted, and then this is my rice. I know it's little rice, but yeah. If I'm not full after eating this, I'll have more. And this is the gravy that I made. These are the pickled cucumbers. They are so nice. And then the chakalaka, and then the gem squash. Yeah, this is dinner. This will be my dessert. Gift from hubby to me. Yeah, and then this is his meal. I think we can see portion sizes is different because yeah. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I hope you are well. Okay, the next day. Today it's Monday, and yeah, my baby woke up so late. And he slept through the night, so I don't know why. He woke up at 10:49. So because he was sleeping, my main aim was to sweep. I even swept the bedrooms. To sweep and clean, but I didn't really clean, but I only swept. So yeah, at least I did something. Then I had my morning tea. Then when I started Keamogetswe the devotionals, he woke up. So maybe I might as well I'm going to prepare breakfast for him. I don't know what to prepare, because I think oats and wheat bix is over them, so I don't know what to prepare. I think maybe toast, but I'll see. Then I have to prepare breakfast for myself. The weather is very gloomy, and I wanted a raspberry smoothie, so I don't know what to do, but we'll see as the day goes. I think I'll be closing off this vlog today before noon. No, before pussy, before the evening. Guys, I'm on my second cup of tea. I don't know what's happening, but whatever it is, problem.
I've been snacking on this as well before breakfast. Actually, guys, I blame my husband for this snacking. And my baby just woke up, and now he gave him these snacks. And that's not what we do in the morning. Because he's waking from home, I don't know why I decided I feel one of these snacks. Because normally when he wakes up, I have my tea, and then he has his breakfast. And then he has snacks like during the day. Kabo one, yeah. So, guys. Also, can we talk about how black just makes you look slim? Yeah, keep black. I just wish this thing covered here. Because now, guys, Tanse Rene modest. Tanse Rene modest. You know, we can't just expose ourselves for a ton of reasons. Yeah, for a ton of reasons. Guys, ke tla le bona ka breakfast. I think I'll have my smoothie. I want to have my smoothie. Taste test. I think this is my second favorite. Just that it's a little bit sour. I added honey, a lot of honey. But that tanginyana taste, it but in a nice way. So, raspberries, half a banana. I didn't even measure for a cup or what. But you know, berries are low in calories. So for me, and then yogurt and then water. I don't normally add honey to my smoothies, but I did because this sawanyan. I think tomorrow I'll be having the blueberry one with pepper. The color is nice. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm closing off this vlog. I'm closing off this vlog. The editing is going to be tedious. It's going to be a long one. And to upload long vlogs, yo, you spend the whole day waiting for it uploaded. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, smoothies are a great way to weight loss. I think you've seen my videos. When I walked out of the hospital, I was 90.5 kgs. Now I am 70 kgs. Guys. So eating well, eating your whole foods is the way. So yeah, if you can check, well, this video was a vlog, but it was also what I eat in a day, because I tried to record my eating, although yesterday, like, I had my dessert, I didn't record that, but like, understand that, guys. So I'm here to encourage you, especially moms. It's not easy to bounce back. We are not in a rush to bounce back, but we can be healthy for the sake of our kids. Now I have an active baby, so being active helps me. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. I really appreciate the support, the comments, all of those things. Yeah, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.